Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to create a plan of meals for your week with My Week feature on Thermomix TM6. You can use KUKIDO to create a plan of your meals for the whole week. And for that you'll need to either use the website or the app. I'll show you how to do it on the website, but on the app it will look basically the same, so feel free to follow it. Now, as you can see, I'm on the website right now, and I could find let's say pizza margherita, and let's say I want to make it. In that case, I'll need to simply click on three dots right here and find Add to My Week. Then select on which day you'd like to make it. Let's say I want to make it on Friday. I'll save it, and now it'll be added to My Week. Now let's do maybe a few more recipes to later see the My Week a bit better. So let's say I want to make banana bread on Sunday. And yeah, I could search for other things. Maybe I'll do the vegan mushroom balls on tomorrow. Let's do it on tomorrow. And now I'll find it, of course, on the website in My Week. I'll be able to cycle through the weeks and see what I have prepared. And now if I go to the Thermomix, I can also find it by clicking on three lines in the top left corner, going to My Week. It'll load for a moment, download the data from the cloud, and as you can see, it shows me that on Wednesday I have the vegan mushroom bowls to prepare, and I could add it to shopping list as well. I could move it to another day, remove, or just go into it by clicking on it to see the recipe. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.